Welcome back. This assignment is also same as previous assignment. In this case, what we are doing is we are creating a class called palindrome, which will accept integer and string. Meaning palindrome will accept either integer or string, and then we demonstrate a concept called polymorphism. Polymorphism is you inherit and then you make use of a base class reference, and with base class reference you point it to derived classes objects, and when you invoke that base class reference point dot that method, during runtime the appropriate version of the object gets picked. So the theory of this polymorphism, you'll get it in many places, so you can refer that. So polymorphism is I'll explain it with hands-on practical session here. So there is a number base class, and then there is a palindrome which is inherited from number. Okay, also we have a palindrome number, but in this case it is string. Okay, see here, this palindrome which is accepting integer is inherited from number. This palindrome is also inherited from number. Okay, but the first one accepts digit. Okay, second one accepts string, and then the way we in the driver code, right, we are creating a base number object. Okay, and then we are creating a palindrome with digits. Okay, with digit, and base reference we are creating to this test number. Okay, test number. And when we say base number dot check palindrome, okay, this particular object gets called. Okay, this particular object gets called. One positive case, one negative case. Once we pass palindrome, once we pass non-palindrome, and then again we this time we pass string. Again, two cases: positive case, negative case. If you see here, we are just using base number like references to point to all the objects here. See, but when you invoke base number dot check palindrome, appropriate version of the object gets called during runtime. This is polymorphism. Okay, so let's see. Implementation is very straightforward. Check palindrome, we fish out each individual bits. Okay, reverse them, and if reverse number is same as passed number, we say it's a palindrome. If otherwise not a palindrome. Okay, in this thing it is bit tricky over here. Like the way we do it is first we take the string. Okay, take the string, cast it to set this value to passed string, and cast it to int. Okay, that whatever string value is passed, we cast it to int. Also, when you are checking the values, right, stored value, here you have to check with casted int value is equal to reverse value. Okay, so if you don't do this int here, you will get erroneous result. So wherever you are making use of self-stored value, because stored value is a string, you have to cast it to int at all the places. Okay, this is the only place trick that you need to follow. Why we are doing this? Because the assignment asks us to do that for both string and integer. So we are doing that, and then the polymorphism concept I have explained here, meaning you make use of the same base references to refer to all the objects, and then invoke check palindrome appropriately on each of those references. So what should we get? Palindrome, not a palindrome, palindrome, not a palindrome. Let's run this. See, palindrome, not a palindrome, palindrome, not a palindrome. Okay, so that is it. Thank you.